itawa semi-autonomous government agency iria establishirwe kana iria thondekerwe i Act of Meru County Assembly mwaka wa 2018 ithirikari iria rio that time His Excellency Governor Kiraito Murungi na ndi na assembly iria rio bathondeka act iria yejire guchiara Meru Youth Service na ndi nio tuta MWAS na ndi nayo itongeretwe i board iria ithondeki board ici itherwa iri antu mugwanja na nya bakenda kuoptia antu bangi bairi bakinya kenda ibetikiritwe in case baketha batina experts bakung'ana no bongere antu bangi bairi so antu bau mugwanja ibona ndi betherwa be directors board of directors barana ndi batonga area kana baranaga MWAS na ndi alafu na ndi bau betherwa bari on part time basis na ndi na on full time basis obisi na ndi bakadelegatira CEO MWAS ngogi chiao kana na ndi no atikwa na ndi a manage obisi u ano ena secretariat yewe CEO no ena aritu wangu ke barana ndi bende ne MWAS barana ndi ba manager program iji
na tukielekea MWAS dhaibu na cohort kana kwina antu baraba kwithira baina pass out iro na kiure kiraba ingine ndi bombekia kwithira bakiure kire what is the process ya ku recruit ni atu bombere kwithira bukia na antu bana and how many are the number na in people thiatire kenda bomenya atu yukio tutiyukio atu yukio tukayukia phineas process mutaratara yokuyukania kire MWAS yuriko
MWAS kambuge mbere ma thaitu na cohort tubeta recruits na Kimeru recruits kurutu tuina kurutu 920 magana kenda ja mirongo iri na ndipo tuina bo kiri thai na ndipo be training na bo bombere kujuka atia bajuka wa Meru mzima kote kubagwa ba kiri 45 Meru tuina 45 wards na kwe ward imwe yongairwe special na ndi ka ward mbio 46 so 46 wards or ward nenkeri slot 20 so 20 slots na ndi paka kinya 920 otonya kiri slot ke ward yu o ward na ndi twajuka ya tukamega maita jatatu kajana kenda tu distribute twanya tu ward mzima tikeje kujukia antu pamwe ba area mwe so na ndi most likely twatongairwe i intora chietu villages ara urantora chiethero igai na ndi ontora na ndi ikagairo na ndi twanya tu antu batano ontora so otegera bwega gutinture tina antu batano so kwina equal distribution twanya tu tunde across Meru yonde na tabajuka bwa ana babajuka bwa wera wa kiwethro wina certificate Kenya primary wethro wa kiwina KCPE ugo no kuthia atia no qualify gutonya kingi wethero withro wa kiwina kibande wethro wina KCPE minimum na kibande na withro no confirm ugo we Meru we resident yo Meru of course na ndi chibu ibo batutethairia muno kutambua muntu ule we resident yo Meru na ndi wethro no qualify au those three were each are mandatory conditions oka recruitwa lakini nande again kwina otwe tatu kethiria antu bara baumirite ibo baingi nkurukia mbio kurukie bara batano tukwendaga na no twathaia twatumaira balloting system ire bahati nasibu twethiria ba kuingia of course tukabaga jairi na nangi nje tatu nuntu boy
depending na
numbers tukabaga kwina itukwenda tukujukia mto PWD itukwenda kujukia aledi na arume tije kwina gender balance so ladies barabara yo bakithoi ladies batano na turenda abairi tukojuriria karatasi gakuga atia yes kana no no chinge iende siri itukwenda bakajukia bakathiurukia igekero ikando bagashake bakaromba kwejoga ichanjara kundene bahati yako me already bubejere au na otaka maratasi be na kibande o qualify pau bonde because they qualified you subject them to that process you nande bahati yaku and it was very fair otum to mau akiugaga nkuonerwa nuntuko ikianjara oijukirio wengo karatasi uro jukia yes akejande uro jukia no so that is how we were recruiting them and it was very fair utaigwetuma it was very fair
so wade mudhara ni yombere kwithire kiona maybe 40 slots because it's a special ward.
Yes. Actually to be very honest special ward you again ne ku address kitu kira constitution yugaga the minority so tuina antume asamburu tuina asamburu beku lakini abe Meru
but ni asamburu
bara ya Kisamburu batere ke Meru beku bairi by virtue of being bakuma special ward nonto ira ta monka isioro beku na the constitution ne te kairia bokithia manto ja thirikari take care of the minorities.
Sure. Yes. Bana CPO tukaelia nende yes okwithira recruitanto impact iraithere kia ya realized because no ithira recruitanto but what impact iraithere create is there anything that mumero mbika kwithira kwa yenyewe MWAGO na impact and it's something that should be continuous kana what's your take?
First of all impact program age for the first time nirareaga antu mbecha for the first time mtu itangoge betire baitan community service ri bareja kutheria na riu baratheraia bararingugine na ndi directly kurutu bau ibari chiringi 500 chiringi kana ireta ke guardian kana muchiari chiringi 500 ikare wa the recruit ewi direct nontu nandi igutetheria kuba some financial freedom nontu nijanto baba 400 per day for 37 days imbecha indongi chigwetanja chia batethia kwi muntu inyorite school fee au muntu ena muntu secondary fee there chiringi 4,000 so na barare agwa upin
in 10 days
ukurea fee 10 days ukuthukumira fee secondary so to be very honest directly iunerary impact indirectly kwina gitu tugwita quality education menya sheria kana as per the SDGs kana vision 2030 uria thirikari thondekete vision 2030 yaonete o mukenya uria wi guku na bati ku access quality education so kwe antu for some reason batombere gwita nkurukie class 8 na nyabo they are still Kenyans so uria tukabaikia skuru nuntu bathiria bakuthia paramilitary bageta skuru bageta kuthoma wa special skills iwi kanya karatu wete mtura nando o ere disadvantaged school system yetu inyawe one access ya kuthoma na thirikari ikabarira fee beta skuru so iwi emwe ku make sure guti muntu uratigirwo nyuma atithomi kintu kingi nakyo I bombe kuthurwa bagita eventually program iji ure bangi wothiria kuthoma wewe skill kana wewe utea umbe kuithukumira wewengwa so mtu mwithi mbere kara imena atirombaga ati ona mtu ro gwita nanda accountant kana ona muchore ora bathoma no eta high school eta university
na CEO emwe
akaimena aichokia lakini nandi ukwewa ka skill gaku nandi ndenda plumber no ngachwa ngachwa ure nandi urathomithitwe MWAGO ndenda mtu stima no ngachwa ndenda mtu kunthondeka kinyosi ngachwa mtu ure so in due sense uti mtu uraigwa atina ngugi decent nontu eventually mtu uyu ketha itanda kuthia stima akeja kuomba akarura inya ndukewe stima inya wagachikumia thate MWAGO kwina muthaka wiru ire urugurite bara training ire gitara kiritu kwi mtu ndukewe stima na areo MWAGO we ara ruire so inya wena atichikumairia that na thomere course na eventually aika stock na MWAGO so kenda nandi mtu onde akaigwa agitanguge decent na akagurua kiu kintu kingi nakyo story nandi gender equality program iji ithondeki kenda make sure kote mtu ukuigwa ati yani te passe kudro to balance to ira tuitaka te gender equality affirmative action on youth yani antu babethi bakaigwa thirikari ni bendete nokwerawa antu babethe bakaigua thirikari be part of government programs. So eu ni affirmative action on youth na nande eu ni impact ingi ikethirwa antu babethe bonthe bari involved in government programs na bakenda thirikari. So there is no time ukethiria antu babethe bakithura thirikari ya Meru. If anything, this program is supposed to make sure that we have ambassadors of Meru County na bakenda kwithirwa bagitanirwa baria Meru inya umara o meochemani na antu ba MWAGO na aru imana ugatetheka ukagia meri. Imagine we meri ne wiringa around ciaku across the world we sava wa chai mbio imoditore othomete catering MWAGO. So nukwerawa, so you become a proud Merian na igukurukira stories affirmative action.
Na tukielekea how viable is this idea, because the government the county government nitumirete a lot of money so far kire the recruits baraba ina pass out ntuko yaro, and after that baketha baita chukuru of which itoyetheo, but kuringa na uwe any project sustainable in the coming eras to tutikethire tukiwa nende project it sustainable aturikania kohote. Is there sustainability in the project ya kwethira kwina MWAGO?
Mbere ma that impact is reason enough kuweka mbecha, ku set aside any impact you is reason enough egutuma inya plan cia thirikari chikithithwa thirikari kethora ni ku set aside mbecha cha program eje because of that simple issue omboria impact. Secondly, kwi plan irio inyinge muno body yetu ithithitie. First of all, itukwenda kwithirwa twina income generating activities ira twingo tukathawa tukithithia kana njira cia guchwa mbecha twingwa tukethirwa tekare onthe tugwetaira thirikari twikira mbecha inya twingo twindene aja gucu twina mibango twina miunda twineo twina miunda twaerwe itukwenda gwaka hostels itukwenda nandi kuthi kwambiria security farm yetu Meru County nandi activities itu athithia na tuchoke tu approach nya partners para bakona mantu ja ijathongi nandi bakeja inya thirikari mbe cha cherero ukethera kwi muntu urio jontu nandi tu approach ta KCB Foundation. KCB Foundation me ani aga school fee, so there lazima tu thirikari ijere school fee. So with partnership with KCB Foundation and other like-minded partners already kwina mtu wijite on board gwitu inua mama mjane ou amenyaira twana twari ou gwanche barira school fees fully nokwerawa na partners baba inge bashurite interest na baeja bakaria na ndipo inya yu design inge guchwa mbecha cha make sure program eje itikarokwa ikethirwa nandi ni kuendelea issue of sustainability.
Well, after pass out yaro, what next for the recruits? Maybe placements on tokwethira kiwa whether abwe ikakia KTVET. Maybe what's the plan imobango yurio kana ni onto ne ndipo wetera kubangirwa, what's the plan as the CEO?
Plan irero ezi barathia paramilitary training kana discipline training ikubastura wa kidogo pauma ura baramamina uri sabu pachoka pedrobe na ndipo mau pakaigwa kuthia skills training pete polytechnics chetu within Meru County. Na polytechnics hizi chionde polytechnics kidogo chidoro na population enkai. So na ndipo eta nau beta na ndipo mtu athome kosi ira kwenda kosi mtu agatara ole nkwirira ara mwambire mtu agatara kosi ira kwenda kenda eventually omba kuandikwa komba ochiandika ande ja kethoro mtu witegemea kia wengwa. Yes, so that is the next phase. Na thirikari yetu itongeretwe i gavana Mutuma thirikari ije ina plan ya ku make sure inya bathiria kuthoma para baingi bagachwirwo nyangugi. That is where we want to focus so much. It's our exit strategy. Turenda ku make sure that bathiria kuthoma. I want to tell you Phineas already kwina antu budget ntiwe bahau because it is too early. Around recruits 300 be booked as we speak right now na batire tenya school 300 so far na rojo takinya be booked ria bakathiria school bateaga nguge aibo nokwerawa. So by the time tuthiria meri yu ingi thatu bageta school, I can assure you tonga mwana ule ukethora ate kwenda gwitethia rarely will you find anyone ukaura. Yes,
not together like that's a good plan actually. The 920 in number, maybe are there plans kwethira nambeke increase, because 920 niko sound a big number until now you go down and narrow ukona wadi anara ni mbumete agithine ni ora kona anto ba 20 wa ba distribute nture mo mware akithi ungia india njaro ungia I mean is there a plan maybe kwethira nambe kiongeleka and if ikongeleka anto araburithai tian utambi invite as the CEO but maybe is there a plan to expand the facility to accommodate maybe the over 920 recruits kwi plan maybe wethirite bweni ona kubangania kwa now as time goes by itubatire wakanto aweka these recruits.
Yeah, fair enough. Mbuga rojo kana in the near future ngagwita weja wona center yetu ule kali uge idea but at the end of the day there is a plan. His Excellency the Governor akuijana ale center letu twatonyere center era amitegere naona itina capacity kama tanto baba ingi actually kiki atuma ona twabajukaia na groups muntu bande batingi mbagu tonya au na ndekwe mubango jorio ndendo kwira as late as yesterday there was a meeting that was held kana gwe muchemano jorareo Governor na toere task eco design hostels hostels iri gakware ura center nundu affordable Ministry of Housing ne kuthithia ne gwakira schools hostels na ndi Governor atwirire twi board tutatuthondeke design ya hostels na proposal twikia kiri Ministry of Housing kena tumba gwakirwa hostels like 500 bed capacity kena nande irio plus 500 bed capacity chikeja nande capacity yetu yomba kunena nenea na kena nande nya tumba ko jokayana baba inge kurukia bo tu nabo so as late as yesterday he called me in a meeting barari na Antoba Housing to anenkana proposal yetu na nirajukirwe so maybe in a few time bukomba kuona hostels now ikiakwa.
That's a good plan.
Yes.
Na tukielekia withire tutarakia as the recruits babuthakia maybe cleaning na barabarene. Yes, I've seen them. I would attest to that. Kwimbia barethaira bakire awa. Yana retakie the Guardian na Muchiari ngeyetakiriwe which means somehow ivo kwenda ku reach to the bigger community. Maybe mubango yo MYS, do you think as the CEO tiyo ku benefit an individual but rather the whole society?
Actually, that is the main objective. Objective eje ikuithirwa ina impact yere social ngagujokire kiu na example. Ria tweta kutheria na aria kwino twetaga mtu inya kona na bau ura bakaria aka emotional ura bakutheria aka emotional akagura soda ciana bau bonde akeja akabarengera soda kuno twetaga tukaewa matunda antu bagatonya nture na umuntu urabatuma antu bageta bakeja na igwa bakeja na marigu bakeja na machungwa bakanenkerana bagitanguge. You see, that tells you society ni go appreciate nuntu ngugire gwitewe taitewa kairi na ingugi ukuona nya wengwa mutaro juju ture juingene ruju ture kunuka ruke njirene karo tonya mundene jo muntu na ruju kutherua barabara ruju rukena mana njira rukathira so program is apart from inya gutethia na baba inya society yongwa has felt the impact of this program itumba kwiro netethetie muntu. It is a program that assisted a lot of people across Meru County. River alone inya beneficiaries 920. The community itself has felt the impact of this program. Yes.
Now looking at the pass out, kuntuko ya meaning potena recruits bangidai. Maybe when is the next recruit?
Recruitment.
Oh yeah, the next recruitment. So.
Next recruitment toka nande mwaka jojo kuthira. Mwaka jojo ithira mweri jo tuli jo June. So we expect the next financial year iwe kambira kuma July. We have already kwena plan kwena mutaratara jo tuthingata jo kuset kuthithia budget. No already mutaratara jo ijo ambiritie. And I can assure Merians that through money is being set aside in the next financial year. Kenda program age tekadire. This time around we are doing fantastic. There's a good relationship between kanakwena relationship injaga between executive na assembly na inkona bena goodwill ibakuga we can to aseti mbecha ibakuga isawa ba era program na ibakona program ne gutethia so program age tekuthira if anything nontu bangu gira ititendongi tuli expect na ndinye inena nenewa twithirwa tutina nya recruitment imwe ina iya tukethirwa twine nya ijire ina iya tugatonga more people
Yeah.
moving forward.
As both onga more people, maybe what are some any live examples ombika kwithira okia mutegeri, because well no ethira okiona mtura a good discipline awita kubwithia plumbing, but is there any success story you as the CEO ombika kwithira okirwa amani omathabaune no kaua oni mbonete mutombete otethwa ni MWAS kana uwe bariara wona bakubwa, that's your happiness? Is there any success story that
very many success stories? Very many success stories. Kwe program ejite na actually governor na ngangene muno, it has been revived. Area gitara kiraitu na His Excellency the Governor is very keen. Kwe na barabeta merine. Bageta bitanguke kiri cruise ships kama MWAS. I think 2018. I was just a recruit. I
think the first cohort.
Yes. No, not the first. I think the second one. Adithia catering. Na thaa ici no munene obange na merine thatha day twaraia twerawa irio biawe kibange bakendia irio na merine record biawe bitichoka eta ukona kapati ka discipline biawe bitichoka nuntu etira kwendia company remo imwandikite ndene na u nije uju biawe endaia bikathira. And that is the score he has earned, and so that is one perfect example.
Yeah.
There are so many young people. There is kwenenya hoteli eje na nyuki ta Falcon. Falcon has picked very many and baraba daitia catering. Baba ingi. Baba andika. Kwe mwale enja makutano. Kinyozi.
Yeah,
Numwije?
Yes, I would say that.
Mwale u amenyere kwenja MWAS. Kumuthakanda kwira wiruire wina ndukewe electronics. No nge, those stories are very many. They are very many. No right to flow in my mind immediately. But kweninya staff tu na baba county. Ndeba kweta marieto. Bari former MWAS, pamoja enforcement.
Yeah.
Bangi actually, they are in serious department like economic planning. Bari former MWAS, mtu eja atonya na ka certificate. Nonto baka pressure kale adithia ka diploma, adithia ka degree na thai in a serious department in finance.
Na bona CPM bitekire mbere tu tukireka kia robo ina pass out. Many guests will be there.
Yes.
Na kwethirite kwina matheta ya artist ba Meru. Ambu nyaundire omonto indenda kuina muno sauti erere, but you're paying them, allow me to say, 3,000 shillings for performance. Kithira no ko empower mtu wa MWAS recruit wa muri chiringi maana no ntuko in 10 days ainambia chankorokia msanio. How factual is that? Demystify onto icomplainedre tereo, and allow me to ask you this. Non to boko asani nkirita to. Onde reo mo asani ba. Surely. Now,
I hope I have time.
You have 2 minutes.
Yes. In 2 minutes time. Ambere se Genesis. Ara to akinya kinyere au.
Kwa ngirita to. Justify.
Ria to other recruitment. Ito area road show.
Yeah.
Ibonere na antu ibadi rukite na marori bakiugaga tonya ia MWAS recruitment ni jite. So nani asani.
Yeah.
Bari kiri road show. Na itwetekaniritie na bora twetekaniritie twa omuntu althia kwao. Twari na asani umegembe asani begembe kathia road show kwao.
Yeah.
Patikani bakathia road show kwao. No twathaia. Na ndi na twathirie kuma Monday moka Saturday.
Yeah.
Na tukuthiria na twetekani na twena na asani bau muno. Na ndi tukithithia planning pass out. Twena muchemanio wa planning au obisine. We found it wise twana kwe ume. Batwe wasanii bara twatumire gitara road show. Ibeje
ubatumire thai.
Ari. Beje bone ngugira baitire. Are kinya.
Matunda yayo.
Bona matunda jangugira baitire. So ndera ndo baba staff lakini ndere natogeta msanii eja twetikaniria katubae kangarama nontu entertainment ntukwire pass out
which is tomorrow.
Tomorrow entertainment ithithagua i kurutu uti muntu ome weja ku entertain ribe ya ndene kurutu ibeja baka discover kwi bobe na talent kwi bobe na talent tofauti ukona rojo ukona bakija ku entertain guest yau entertainment is set aside for
The
recruits baba bati ku entertain guest so baba atwetaga wasanii bara twatumaire gitara road show beje nyabo ba guest ba entertained
so
inde twaba transport refund
get entertained so ngirida to teach you perform
apana ingarama na nyakwanza umbekire inya ino no kwa situation me antu bamburia ukono kwera na ngarama mbecha
no which is it's fine because now the statement to allegation, I mean the statement that has been going around is that whereas ani ngirida to
tiandirikiria ingu mbiche tena time nande tweta representatives ba wasanii a few of them barato apikire bandonera bake very responsible twabera tubangite ucu ibu kuona isawa bauga isawa obongo wau turi wau methene in my office pambira inde munene man kwi muntu twatigire ome igitara ya recruitment atonera kantu igitara na thai mantu jate muthongomerete muntu urio man ichiringi ngirida twake MWAGO itemenya kuthira nundu bae ngirida tu msanii u eta wasafu msanii man maisha jate muthongomerete muringire ithimu eje athithia atia inyawe murume inyawe akareja guest bangi akarinya kuya munene inyawa akewanga bangi bakewanga rama inyawa ero nandi ni osafu aringirwo thimu I remember very well maruro baringa thimu akeja akambira muntu bwana nkero mwisho ubuku na atario man andeterete thina muno inya ati kwerewa nkogeria kungangana no ndi mwira te ko kwiro kaine ko kwiro we guest
among the other guests
babisha na bare mokwereano which confirms ore asani bange bona muntu ate sawa
your ones but now the point is ngiridato ni omona
facility kuina na abe i wasani bara bare twale aboro show twabera njo ibone ngugira allow me to give an analogy yore waikaya wachioku kuswakari ntukwira bagetarura cio wachiaga gwira njo bana mseo one matunda jangu gira toitire nandi makosa gakarika ntukwira wachio witire wachiage ja muchore we andi muchore uno we jagwa gari kinya gituthongi.
Thank you very much for that. At least you've cleared the air that the 3,000 itare cho perform.
Hapana.
Ichi yako yao.
Hapana.
Na uninko ande musani na inyawo nintere to endente umedira kan te nyani ko entertained. But anyway, thank you so much. You're doing a good job.
Thank you, sir.
But now we live to wait. Na toidira tukiona abo mubango yoke dira ugeta na mbere. And congratulations.
Thank you.
I project yare yokroma. Slightly,
sure.
You acknowledge that,
sure.
But we'll be joining you tomorrow, maybe. Tukiona burapo idirita pukita na mbere. Nyoni kedra ndio nyani mbedira. Thank you so much bwana CP.
Welcome.
Na mutakeria ono tukutha twika gatanta kiro rero tune ndio robo rwari okonie mubango your MWAGO baraba ina pass out ntuko uyaro. Tuchema na kinyuma kaita katikura na mbedire ndiri kanone together actually will be live.
Yes.
We'll follow the whole proceeding. Kuukia ni nyaura tiumba kwedira aikinya the venue ande ni awero utidira wekuluka wa nyontobo na watu watoeni twakwatoeni ke ribal ewero making 10 years